This video shows you how to create an action that applies a bookmark to the sheet. First, you need to create a bookmark, or you can use an existing one. To create a bookmark, make your desired selections. When done, click the Bookmarks button and then click the Create New Bookmark button. Give your bookmark a title and then click Create. To be able to use the created bookmark in sheet actions, the bookmark must be public. Now that you have created a bookmark, you can create an action to apply it to the sheet. To do this, click on Edit Sheet. In Sheet Properties, click Actions. To create a new action, click Add Action. In the Action drop-down menu, select the action you want to apply. In this case, we select Apply Bookmark. In the Bookmark drop-down menu, select the bookmark that you want to apply. When done, give your action a name. And that's it. Now you have just created a sheet actions that applies a bookmark to the sheet. When you open the sheet, any filters and selection that were set when the bookmark was created will be applied to the sheet. It's important to note that when you apply a bookmark action to a sheet, any other sheets in the app will also reflect the changes. In this way, you can have a consistent view across the sheets and the app. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.